Hi, welcome and welcome back to the channel. How are we all doing? Is everything under control? If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you're notified every time I post. So today I'll be taking you through a random day in my life. Are you excited? Please like the video, share and comment. So guys, this particular day must have been a Monday. I started off by lying in my bed, taking a few notes and praying. Yeah, then I headed over to make some breakfast. I boiled some eggs. These I'll eat throughout the week. I eat one per day. Then I made some millet porridge. If you're from Africa, you know this. I don't know that people from other continents take millet porridge as well, but it's nice. Yeah, I make it by putting flour and adding some cold water. Yeah, then stir to a uniform consistency. Yeah, just like I'm doing here. Then after that, I boil some water in the kettle. Yeah, I boil some water in the kettle, just like you're seeing. Then I add it to my mixture in bits until it's ready. You, yeah. Again, you must know the art of making this. I've been making it since I was a kid, so I'm good. So I made these, then I made some bread and butter, my egg, one egg, and the porridge. Yeah, this is nutritious, I believe. Yeah, it's only a fruit missing. Then I had my breakfast on this slow morning. After breakfast, I headed out to work. This is Oslo. We worked for a bit, then it was time for lunch. Bread, butter, cheese, ham. I'll be adding some few vegetables. Yeah! I didn't love these in the start, but I've learned how to love them. And now I can eat the cheese in any form, at any time. Cheese is my new favorite in Norway. Then guys, I've learned how to take coffee and have brown cheese that have jam, which is weird. Yeah, I don't know that it's healthy, but I love this combination so much. Oh my god. Yeah, but I need to learn to stop eating this because man, no way, no way, no way. How can an adult do this? It's weird, it's awkward. So we destroyed this within no time. And it was time to move to the next item on the agenda, which was grapes. There you guys. This was the next day when we had dried mangoes. I'd never seen this. Wow. Tambala kulaba okudda kunyumya. So from work, I came home and caught a movie. This day I watched Becoming by Michelle Obama as I sniffed my candles. You guys, hey, what a life in Europe. Yeah. So this day was full of eating and coming home. Yeah. Do you see that? You guys need to watch this movie. It's a beautiful one and inspirational. Have you ever seen such a thing like a snowstorm? I had never seen this, and within 3 hours, snow had accumulated to high masses, and I had to get out of the house and experience some snow and be happy and play like a baby in the snow. Yeah, I was trying to create my own fun. Yes, because if you don't create your own fun here, no one will. Yeah, I gotta be happy. You see that? You see that? How 6 p.m. is looking like. How 6 p.m. looks like. This is I then headed out to catch up with my friends. Yeah, so excited and happy. Yeah, then we had some dinner together. This was a starter. I didn't even understand what that was, but I had to eat and test everything, you guys.
Was everything good so far? Yeah. Yeah?
So after the dinner, we had to head home. Finally. But it was unfortunate that someone threw themselves into the wall of the train, so we had to take different trains and buses on our way home. On our way home, it was quite unfortunate that someone threw themselves into the wall of the train, so the diversions in the transport, yeah, but the transport systems here are so effective. They had to bring us taxis to take us to our respective destinations. Can you imagine? Then finally, I reached my home. Yeah. When I see this Paris wheel, I used to call it the German eye before I knew its real name. I know I'm home and I'm safe. Yay! Yeah, so I got home. That's my beautiful small city where I stay. So once I reached home, I made some meals, prepped some meals for the following day. That's kawunga, Irish potatoes, and mushrooms that I would then freeze for the next day. Yeah, because I usually come back from work hungry. Thank you all for watching. Catch you on the next one. Please like and share and subscribe.